Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Shimmer Solar Mood Pebble. Let's get going. In the box you have the remote, the instructions, the pebble light, and a stake for keeping it secure in the ground. The stake is very easy to mount onto the light. You simply pop it into the back, just there. And then turning on the light is as simple. There is an on-off button at the back of the light. This light has a dusk sensor, which means that as long as there's daylight, the light's not going to turn on and it's going to keep charging the solar panel. As soon as it's night, the dusk sensor will kick in and your light will come on. The remote is very simple to use. There's all of your colours just here, the different modes here, on, off, and making it brighter and dimmer. Just point the remote at the light and change the colour, or the lighting mode itself. At the Solar Centre we sell two different brands of mood light. We have the Shimmer mood light and we have the Shape Light range. The big difference is that the Shimmer has a remote, so you don't have to get up and manually change the light. This light will run up to 6 hours on a full charge and is fully operational in wintertime. It's also incredibly durable and can withstand up to 90 kilos of weight. It's incredibly lightweight and it's completely wireless with the solar panel hidden inside of the mood light. This mood pebble does white, red, green, blue, orange, purple, light blue, pink, and many other colours. So if you are looking for a new and enchanting feature for your balcony or garden space, this has to be an incredibly beautiful, low maintenance option. Create a delightfully calm atmosphere with the Shimmer Glowstone Pebble Edition and control it easily with the remote control. If you have any questions regarding this product, please just comment them down below and I will respond to you with the answer. Don't forget to take a look at both the Shimmer and the Shape Light Mood Light range on thesolarcentre.co.uk, and we will see you on the next video.